Nike almost died before it became famous. Long before the billions, before the global empire, it was just one man selling shoes from the trunk of his car. In the 1960s, Phil Knight borrowed $50 to import cheap running shoes from Japan. No office, no brand, no safety net. He was hustling at track meets, hoping someone would take a chance on his product. Then everything changed. His supplier tried to replace him. No shoes, no business, no future. So he made a risky move. He created his own brand and paid $35 for a simple logo, the swoosh. He didn't even like it. But the real gamble came later. Nike signed a rookie player named Michael Jordan. It was a massive risk. The company was in debt. Banks were pressuring them. One mistake, and it was over. That risk changed everything, from car trunk sales to a global empire. Sometimes survival is just one bold decision away.